If you drive, you need smart gear, and 2026 just leveled up. Today, we're ripping through the coolest car gadgets that actually change your daily drive. No fluff, only real features, quick wins, and the one thing you'll want to buy first. Let's go. V16 Connected Cloud Beacon. When your car stops on the shoulder, seconds feel like minutes. The V16 Connected Cloud Beacon isn't a cheap flare. It's a GPS-enabled, cloud-connected warning beacon that broadcasts your exact location and warns other drivers without you leaving the car. In countries rolling it out, it's replacing triangles and adding automatic alerts into navigation systems, which means fewer blindside crashes and faster help. Use case: night breakdowns, low visibility crashes, or any roadside emergency where visibility and location matter most. Instant safety, minimal fuss. Divoom Pixoo 64 AI Window Sign. Want your car to speak LED? The Divoom Pixoo 64 AI Window Sign turns any rear window into a dynamic message board. Think animated icons, driving mode alerts, or a custom callout for your business. It uses pixel art, timed animations, and simple smartphone control, perfect for creators, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants clearer signals on congested streets. Pop it on for safety messages or personality. It's like a tiny billboard that's actually useful and oddly addictive to customize. LumiLor Electro-Luminescent Interior Trim. Instant mood lighting, but integrated into panels and trim. LumiLor's electro-luminescent coatings let you paint interior trim that lights up on command. It's low power, durable, and much sleeker than strip LEDs. Picture accent lines that pulse with music, illuminate when doors open, or show status cues, battery, alerts. The real win is subtlety, stylish ambient light that feels premium, not tacky. Great for night drivers who want atmosphere without blinding brightness. Listen 100-watt retractable charging hub. Messy cables are a road trip crime. Listen's 100-watt retractable charging hub gives desktop-level power in a compact, retractable package. Multiple ports, built-in cables that retract, and enough wattage to fast-charge laptops, phones, and tablets from a single car socket. It's the difference between haphazard charging and a clean, reliable setup for long drives, families, or creators filming on the road. Practical, inexpensive, and a surprisingly satisfying way to keep the back seat happy. OBDeleven NextGen Vehicle Coder. If you've ever wished your car behaved differently, like auto lock on speed, hidden light tweaks, or advanced diagnostics, OBDeleven NextGen lets you read codes, change settings, and unlock features with your phone. It's the pocket-sized garage, fault scanning, live sensors, and user-led coding. For tinkerers and owners who want more control without dealer trips, this is the Swiss Army knife of OBD tools. Warning: know what you're changing, but the payoff is personalization and faster troubleshooting.
MagSafe Peltier Cooling Wireless Mount. Wireless chargers are convenient until your phone overheats while fast charging. The MagSafe Peltier Cooling Mount adds a Peltier thermoelectric element that actively cools the phone during charge, keeping temperatures in check and protecting battery health. It pairs magnetic alignment for perfect contact with cooling for sustained fast charge, ideal in hot climates or heavy-use drives. Real-world benefit: longer, faster charges without throttling or the burning hot case you dread after a long GPS session. Pioneer AI 360-degree Smart Mirror Cam. This isn't your old mirror cam. Pioneer's AI 360-degree Smart Mirror Cam blends a smart rear-view mirror with full circumference cameras and on-device AI that detects incidents, records high-res footage, and can help parse complex collisions. It's a full situational awareness upgrade, parking assists, incident clips, and better night capture. For parents, rideshare drivers, or anyone who values evidence and convenience, it turns your mirror into an always watchful co-pilot. Fanttik V9 Mate Magnetic Vacuum. Crumbs, loose coins, and pet hair ruin interiors. The Fanttik V9 Mate is a compact magnetic vacuum that clips to metal surfaces in your trunk or garage, provides powerful suction, and runs cordless. It's built for quick cleanups between drives. No hauling out the shop vacuum. Small but mighty, it keeps your car looking sharp and saves time when spills happen mid-trip. Devil Eyes LED Headlight Angel Eyes. Want aggressive looks without sacrificing function? Devil Eyes LED Angel Eyes retrofit around headlights to give a halo, color options, and improved daytime visibility. They're not just cosmetic. The right DRL-style halo boosts conspicuity and gives your ride a signature look. Install carefully and check local rules, but as a visual upgrade, they're instant personality with an actual visibility benefit. Hudly Wireless 3D Windshield Projector. Hudly's wireless 3D windshield projector throws navigation, speed, and warnings onto your windshield with depth perception that's easier to glance at than a phone. Because it's wireless and designed for modern maps, setup is minimal. The advantage? Eyes on the road data that's readable at a glance. Fewer glances down, faster reactions. For highway runs and night trips, it's a clear attention saver.
Rafair AX50 Real-Time Air Ionizer. Cabin air quality matters, especially in cities and during long commutes. The active ionizer and filters particles, reduces odors, and monitors real-time air metrics. If you have allergies, kids, or ride in polluted areas, an active ionizer helps keep the cabin healthier and more comfortable. Small investment, big comfort win on daily drives. Thinkware U3000 Pro Radar Dashcam. If you want a dashcam that babysits your car, Thinkware's U3000 Pro uses dual radar sensors plus 4K, 2K cameras to detect events and record before impact, not just after. That radar-powered parking mode is a game-changer for hit-and-runs and parking lot incidents. It wakes, records, and preserves the moments that matter. Combined with cloud features and optional LTE tracking, it's one of the most robust parking sentry systems you can add to a vehicle. Worth it if you care about real parked vehicle protection. Car screen adapter plus Comsoon aux. Got an older car? Small adapters extend its life. A car screen adapter bridges phone video and older head units. Comsoon aux adapters let modern phones send audio into older stereos with clean connection and simple controls. These are cheap, low-risk hacks that make older cars feel new, perfect for people who keep cars for years but want modern media without a full head unit swap. Solar-powered auto-clamping mounts use light to top off their internal batteries and clamp phones automatically when you place them, perfect for rides with frequent stops and no consistent USB access. They're great for delivery drivers and anyone who wants a mostly self-sufficient mount that reduces cable clutter. Not a replacement for wired fast charging, but a brilliant emergency and convenience tool. Which of these would you buy first? Drop one gadget in the comments and tell us why. Best answer gets pinned. Smash like if you learned one new thing, subscribe for weekly gadget drops, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. We do comparison buying guides next. If you want the full product links and a short buying guide per budget, say, "Show me the list," and I'll send part-by-part recommendations. Drive smart. See you in the next one.